Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is the newest iPhone that came out like a little bit like kind of like a month ago. This iPhone is like so hard to get. Almost like not that many people can get it. As soon as they make more, it just sold out. So we've waited over a month to just get this thing. So it's pretty cool. It is a Pro Max. So let's take a look at it. iPhone 14. Let's take a look at this. There we go. Here is the box. There it is. Let's pop it out. So guys, here it is. Let me just take a look. It is a iPhone 14 Pro Max with silver and also has 128 gigabytes. So here it is. Look at that iPhone 14 Pro Max. Can't show you that. But still, here it is, guys. Pretty cool box. So let's pop it open. Gotta rip these. Let's rip the other one. Sensor. Okay, now let's pop it open. Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Look at that! Hold on, wait, guys. What the? Wait! There's one thing I have to do. Oh, it's on the other side. Hold up. Oh my god, look at this thing. It's okay, guys, let's take a look at this this iPhone 14 Pro Max. So guys, if you take a look at this phone, it's more skinnier than the 12 Pro. It also has like a bunch of chrome on the side of the iPhone. The little cameras are really big on it. Look how they're like sticking out kind of, and they're more bigger than the 12 Pros, you know, so like that is pretty cool iPhone. So here is the screen. Will it work? Oh, it needs to be charged, but here is the iPhone. Oh my god. So yeah, let's put it down for now. Open the box, take out the charger it comes with. Designed by Apple, California. We get the stickers. So yeah, I don't know, just kind of have these stickers. Might stick it up here. Should I, guys? Yeah, let's do it. Stick it up there. Yeah, you got the Apple back there, so yeah, it's just gonna be there. So then after we just got all this extra stuff, okay, there it is. So then after we just got all this extra stuff, so it's kind of just garbage. But after we got the box and then the iPhone, look at this thing. I don't think it has any charge right now because it's kind of dead. So yeah, guys. Pretty cool iPhone. I really like it. So if you want to know what it looked like, here it is. The iPhone 14 Pro Max. 128 gigabytes. Look at that. And the charger too. But yeah, guys. Let's put
Can you turn it on?
No, it's dead. That's dead. It needs a charge. So let's try to put it back in the box. Oh, how do you put? I don't remember how it was. It was like this, right? No, why? I'm so confused. I don't remember. Oh, yeah, I did it right. Cause look,
put the other one first.
Yeah, there's a hole.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's a hole. Oh, yeah, there it clicked. Okay. Should we keep? I don't know.
No, put that here. No, it's okay. No, this is how you do that. Now take the iPhone out. No, take the iPhone out. Yeah, put it. You're gonna put this one back in.
Put it in there. There we go. But
Now put that on, like.
But it does go in here.
Yeah, but you have to put it here first. Maybe turn it with the back.
Oh, hold on, guys. Wait. I'm kind of mixed up right now.
Good job.
Yeah, that's how it was. So oh, it's a sticker. We should probably put it on the...
That's okay, don't worry about it. That one, the garbage.
Here's a sticker. No, it's working. So yeah, guys, here is iPhone 14 Pro Max. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. So yeah, just wanted to show you the new iPhone that we got. So yeah, bye. Have a good day.